In this video, we are going to be analysing FUBO. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we end up moving to the upside? And as of right now, our closest resistance is at $4.30, with the next level being around $5.75. So these are obviously our two closest resistance, so these are going to be the most important if you're expecting a move to the upside. Because if you are expecting a move to the upside, you want to see these levels break, come back to test them as support and hold, because really if you just break straight through them, you expect basically what happened here. You may break through it, but you expect a pullback very quick. Whereas if you move at a slower momentum, but you're able to break the level, come back to retest it as a support and then push up, it's going to make the move actually a lot stronger, even though you may see the momentum being weaker, because it's showing investors or traders, whoever really is looking to buy the stock, has had more time to think about the trade and they're happy to be buying at these upper prices. Now, if we break that, our next level would be at $7. Breaking through there would be $9.65, $12.50, and final levels taking us to $14.50, $23, and $32. Now, on the other hand, what are going to be key supports? And really the only statistical level we can look at is $1.59, because everything else is in the negatives considering how hard this stock has sold off. I mean, in the past year, it's went from $35 down to around $2. So obviously as well, obviously be careful if you're buying stock like this, because there is most likely a fundamental reason on why the stock's fallen this far. And obviously if fundamentals change, keep note of that, because fundamentals are always more important than the technicals. Technicals are just key to use when there's no new news coming out or no reason for the stock price to move, because then you are able to find the good buy entries and also overbought entries where you can start to lock in profits. Now that is the breakdown on FUBO. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.